welcome to this SharkEye video. Today we're going to do the unboxing of a SharkEye Whippet, the assembly of a SharkEye Whippet, the installation of a SharkEye Whippet, and I'm going to show you how to use the aforementioned SharkEye Whippet. So without further ado, let's get on. What we'll need to do the unboxing is a good pair of snips. So to get this off, if this comes with if it's clear taped, it's because DHL UK now, their new conveyor belt can't take these bands untaped, so we tape them in the UK. If it's come by UPS or anybody else, it won't be taped. So just so you know, that it's very, very well packed. So that off, and you'll need these because you've probably noticed already. It has staples, lots and lots of staples. Box up, and unboxing of the SharkEye Whippet is about to commence. You'll find lots of this type of cardboard in there. It's pretty good. Elastic, stopped it getting broken a bit. I'll just throw it over there for a bit. First out, use a manual. We'll come back to that. So get rid of them. One of the first items out, wheel hangers. So we'll keep hold of them. I'll go through each item one by one so you know what they are. So again, second item out, are wheel hangers. They come in a pair. Could have been an Olympic cardboard thrower. Wall bracket. Steering wheel clamp. Dish turn plates. And last but not least, the most important thing, the business end, the head. So we'll get these unboxed and we'll go from there. I'll go through why it's important. Dish turn plates out of the box. We put these in because if you haven't got a setup like this, then basically these help you do it in any environment, on the floor and stuff like that. So very helpful in, home mechanics and you know how to do it. So let's have a look in without the box. SharkEye dish turn plates. The best turn plates on the market today and tomorrow. The best they've ever been and the best there ever will be. So zinc passivate and bask in their magnificence. Next item, SharkEye standard steering wheel clamp. Does what it says on the tin. Many how-to videos of how to use this. Very, very good bit of kit. Red on the top, black on the bottom. Won't scratch your steering wheels, hold it in place. Again, pretty little thing. Does what you need it to do. Next thing out of the box, wall bracket for installation. SharkEye wall bracket goes on the wall, just like that one there. I will show you how to, in the next part of the video, I'll show you how to install it. But this is what your aligner sits on when it's on the wall. Charger goes there, and again, when we come to the assembly parts, I'll show you how to put the charger in the USB and do it. So that's the third piece of the unboxing. SharkEye light wall bracket. Again, to the good bits of the unboxing now, hangers. You're going to need these, you're going to like these. SharkEye wheel hangers, they'll come in black, matte black, and with a sticker on. Unless you've gone back in time, these may be red, they may be orange, they may be gloss black, but right now, the colour that we're doing for this year is matte black. So again, this is an integral part of your aligner. There's 2 of them. If there's not 2 of them, get on the blower, get on the email, let us know. And in the next part and the assembly, I'll show you. So it comes with this, and it's also got a little grub screw there, which I'll show you what's for. Check that they're in there. Check on both of them, that they both have them. But that is another integral part that's in the box. User manual in the box. So that's thing, but I'm actually going to show you how to use this. So if you're more video inclined, find the part. This video should be in one massive long, probably segment with unboxing, assembly, installation, and instruction how to use it. But if you like to just do a bit of reading, there's some nice pictures in there. So I'll show you that's user manual. Final part of the unboxing is the head box. We call this the envelope box. I urge you not to throw this away while your aligner's in its first year of warranty, because if it does need to come back to us for calibration, batteries, it needs to come back in this box. In this box, it tells you what's in the box. It tells you not to throw the box away again. It tells you who made it, who packed it. So again, quite important for this part of the box. If you look into the future, this is probably all like that box there, all screen printed and have all the instructions and stuff like that on it. But today it doesn't. What comes in the SharkEye head box? First off, you get a calibration certificate. It tells you when this was born, who calibrated it, who checked it. Quite important. This is for your insurance purpose as well. If you're basically a charging garage to show that it's been done. So then you get some little marketing materials of stuff that we sell. So these are the other aligners and time machines that we do. So have a read through that. You'll quite like that. First bit of steel work out of the box is the cover plates. I'll show you what these do on installation, but you've got 2 of them. Electronics. This is a charger type 1. This comes with the Whippet. This is a single lead charger because basically there's only one laser in the Whippet, and it's a laser and a mirror that reflects back. So we'll show you how to do that, but that should be in the box. That's the charger and a USB. We have rim buttons. These machined 5 centimeters, 3/4 of an inch, with a screw and 2 washers and a spring. There's 6 of these. Make sure you've got 6 of them. You will have 2 of these hanger locks. Again, on installation, I'll show you what they're for. You'll have 2 of these hand wheels. They're going to hanger locks. And then we have the heads. You have one mirror gauge with a mirror which reflects. The new ones have a scale on it so you can see as well. And that's basically what it looks like. So you have one of them. And you have one of these, which has a laser. Just one laser and a scale. So that's everything that's in the box. You've also got 2 little drug screws on each of your heads there for your cover plates. Again, I'll show you that on installation. But that's everything that comes with a Whippet. On to the next part, assembly.